Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the laptop's network adapter and turning off airplane mode. This is the first actionable step. Once done, choose Wi-Fi from the network list or plug an Ethernet cable for stability, making sure to use any USB Ethernet adapter if needed. Enter the SSID and password when prompted, or press the router's WPS button if available. This gets you online fast and establishes the secure link you will use for browsing and updates. You now authenticate and configure the connection so it works reliably. Once connected, set the network profile to private for trusted networks or public for unknown ones to control sharing. Make sure DHCP is enabled for automatic IP assignment. Switch to a static IP only if required by your router or workplace. Install any driver updates and confirm the firewall is active to protect the laptop. These steps reduce dropouts and keep services reachable while maintaining security. You finish by testing and fixing problems so the net works consistently. First, open a browser and load a site, then run a quick ping to 8 to check latency and packet loss. If pages fail or DNS seems slow, restart the router and your laptop and clear DNS cache. Make sure VPN or proxy settings aren't blocking access. One key troubleshooting tip: if sites fail to resolve but ping works, switch DNS to a public resolver like 8 to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.